Hi guys, I'm Akriti Kochar and you're watching Foxy. And today I'm going to show you how to get unready with me. First and foremost, I'm going to get rid of all the jewelry, all these heavy earrings that I've been wearing all night, and it hurts my ear. I like to keep my hair all tucked back, so I wear this little cute hairband. And I'm going to start with the cleansing oil. So the first product that I'm going to use is by Face Shop. It's called the Rice Water Bright. It's a cleansing oil. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my fist, take it on both my hands. So move your fingers in circular motions. This takes off every bit of makeup that you're wearing. I love it absolutely for that. Now I'm just going to rush and quickly splash some water on my face and get rid of the oil. The face wash that I'm using is by the Face Shop All Clear All-in-One Foaming Cleanser. So after I've washed my face, I'm going to use a skin serum. I am using It's Skin Green Tea Serum. Now we all know that green tea is very good. It is rich in antioxidants, so it's also good for our skin. I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingers, warm it up a little bit, and then gently apply. A serum is very lightweight and soft in texture, so it gets easily absorbed onto your skin. After I've used the serum, I like to apply a rich, nourishing night cream. So I'm using Kaya's Replenishing Night Cream after my serum. I'm just going to scoop out a small portion and take it on my fingers and gently applying it. Now after this, I'm going to take just a little bit of my favorite Kumkumadi Ayurvedic Night Serum, which is oil based. I'm just going to take a few drops of this, rub it on my fingers and gently massage it around my eyes. So you saw my favorite steps to get rid of all the makeup that I had on my face, and how healthy does my skin look? Well, now I'm unready. No, ready for bed. If you like such content, stay tuned to Foxy. If you haven't downloaded the app, download it now. Until then, stay fab, stay foxy. Good night.